Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a form. First, let's plan. Clearly define your form's purpose and who will use it. This initial step is crucial for success. Next, identify all the data you need to collect, considering each field's type like text, numbers, or dates. Finally, outline the form's structure, breaking it into logical sections to guide users smoothly through the process. A well-planned form saves time and improves data quality. Now, let's design for a great user experience. Arrange your fields in a logical order, perhaps grouping related information together. Use clear, concise labels for every field and offer helpful instructions or examples where needed. This prevents confusion. Implement validation rules to ensure data accuracy, like requiring a specific format for email addresses or a minimum of 10 digits for a phone number. A well-designed form is intuitive and easy to complete. Next, it's time to build and test your form. Select a suitable platform or tool, whether it's a dedicated form builder, a content management system, or custom code. Then, construct the form precisely following your design specifications. Once built, thoroughly test it. Check every field, every validation rule, and every submission path. Have a few different people test it too, ensuring it works perfectly across various devices and browsers before going live. Finally, deploy your form and analyze its performance. Once testing is complete, publish your form to its intended audience or embed it on your website. After deployment, regularly monitor submissions and how users interact with it. Pay attention to completion rates and common drop-off points. Analyze the collected data to identify any areas for improvement, perhaps simplifying a question or adding a new field. Continuous analysis helps refine your form over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.